2019 Subaru Ascent review. The Ascent is surely an altogether different SUV that combines strengths from Subaru's existing SUV lineup. Subaru is back from the big SUV game. One with the last major mainstream automakers lacking a three-row SUV equates swinging together with the brawny 2019 Subaru Ascent. This isn't Subaru's first three-row SUV effort, the generally unloved tribe car. It quietly slipped on their way 5 years ago after 8 numerous unremarkable sales, not helped any because of the car's small third row and enormous thirst for fuel. The Ascent is definitely an altogether different SUV. With standard seating for 8 passengers, or 7 if specified with optional captain's chairs from the second row, the Ascent offers nearly 32 inches of third-row legroom, comparable as its Honda Pilot rival. Its 86.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo space means you'll really deplete all of your room for gear and luggage, while a different turbocharged 4-cylinder engine not simply returns 23 miles per gallon combined, but sometimes also tow approximately 5,000 pounds. Subaru equips the Ascent with standard all-wheel drive, a Subaru signature feature that drivers in wet weather areas will appreciate. And with 8.7 inches of ground clearance, the Ascent must also prove able to dig up far off the highway if your mood strikes. Overall, the 2019 Subaru Ascent looks for being an ideal pick to get a three-row SUV, but we'll find out for sure even as conduct the full test within the coming months. What's new? The 2019 Subaru Ascent is surely an all-new SUV. The base middle Ascent has a satisfying listing of standard features, however for not much more the premium delivers a better overall package. A power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, plus an upgraded infotainment system which has a larger display are simply a few on the features which make it worth the more income. Trim levels and features. The 2019 Subaru Ascent will come in base, premium, limited and touring trim levels. Base models offer great value, especially with driver assistance features, however the premium adds much more of today's desirable features, for instance heated seats plus a Wi-Fi hotspot. The limited classes things up with leather upholstery, even though the touring maxes out your Ascent's luxury, convenience and security features. All utilize a turbocharged 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 260 horsepower, 277 pound-feet of torque paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. All-wheel drive comes standard throughout the lineup. Base models commence with 18-inch wheels, roof rails, automatic headlights, 6040 split-folding second and third-row seats, features an automatic climate control, a height-adjustable driver's seat, a rear-view camera, 4 USB ports, 2 in front, 2 inside the second row, a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, and also a 6-speaker head unit with satellite radio. Also included is Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which bundles forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. The premium trim adds heated side mirrors, a windshield wiper deicer, an electrical adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped tire, rear seat climate controls, spill-resistant cloth upholstery, along with an upgraded multimedia system having an 8-inch touch screen, voice controls, as well as a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. The premium trim comes with blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, and also towing capacity of approximately 5,000 pounds. Subaru gives a couple of optional packages to the premium. The OP12 package bundles an electricity liftgate with preferred height memory, keyless access and ignition, a panoramic sunroof, an auto-dimming mirror, and reverse automatic braking, which applies the brakes to stop collisions whilst in reverse. An OP14 version has those features plus 20-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, a navigation system as well as a cargo area cover. When you select one of these packages, Secondo captain's chairs 7-passenger max capacity also become available. The Limited can be available within a 7 or 8-passenger seating configuration and adds about the premium together with the contents from the OP12 package: 20-inch wheels, adaptive LED headlights, automatic high beams, LED fog lights, leather upholstery, an electric adjustable front passenger seat, additional driver seat adjustments, heated outboard Secondo seats, rear door sunshades, dual third-row USB ports, and extra leather cabin accents. An optional package for your Limited trim gets you the panoramic sunroof, navigation system, cargo cover and also a 14-speaker Harman Kardon premium subwoofer. The Touring trim bundles every one of the Limited's features and options, then adds chrome exterior accents, automatic wipers, ambient cabin lighting, upgraded leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, a heated leader, a 120-volt household-style power outlet, a full of 8 USB ports, a front-view camera display, along with a rear-view mirror using a rear-view camera image, which helps you to see out back whether or not your normal view is blocked by passengers or cargo. Trim tested. Has not even driven any version of the vehicle. The following is our first tackle what's significant regarding it and what is available. Driving. The new turbo 4-cylinder makes 260 horsepower, which doesn't appear to be a lot to advance this big SUV, but ample torque should help. The Ascent won't move such as an Impreza, nonetheless it should share precisely the same sure-footedness. One question mark is when well the continuously variable automatic transmission performs. Comfort. We've had enjoy Subaru seats, along with the Ascent should continue the trend. We expect a cushy ride especially best for long trips, while sound insulation and acoustic glass should tame the highway noise we all experience in other Subarus. Interior. The 2019 Ascent interior represents a marked upgrade for Subaru cabins, in the design superiority materials. The vast passenger room, rich leather and intuitive tech should make for just a pleasant drive whether across states or merely across town. The thick rear pillars could hamper visibility. Utility. Utility rules the morning in this class. Plus the Ascent appears watchy by incorporating of the largest interior room offered within a 3-row SUV. Folding the 3 seats yields almost 87 cubic feet of cargo space, one from the largest capacities inside class. The Ascent also can tow approximately 5,000 pounds. Technology. An 8-inch touchscreen display anchors all even so the base model's infotainment system, which utilizes a 6.5-inch display. Voice controls come standard about the premium, but Apple CarPlay and Android Auto mean you won't use them. Sophisticated eyesight driver aids come standard over the lineup.